All right, so inside of SAM, on the left-hand side, we're going to navigate to the calendar section. So the very first one you're going to look at have this post call follow-up. Now, this is the one that SAM is using an objective to create. So clicking inside of it, we're going to be able to go to the top left-hand side again and see. Now, I have tested this a couple times, so you will notice that it has been run. So when it is set to be run like this, it's going to do one of two things. Either A, we click in here, we click the run, and it creates it, or because we do have it selected for automatic, what that means is when it's time, SAM will actually generate the message and send it to our outbox. Then we have to go and manually review that. We'll dive into the outbox tomorrow, but I do want you to understand that because it was selected for automatic, that means that it will get run by SAM, even though it is manual, but we're still going to have to preview it. But what we're able to do now, we can go ahead and close. And so now we've got an activity that is going to be run by SAM automatically. And then we have an activity that could be run manually by us, or SAM will run it and then it gets sent to the outbox for us to complete at the very end.